Hi guys, my name is Steele Grayling and I'm the Chief Instructor at Catamaran Guru Sailing Academy, and I'm really excited to show you guys a couple of things on board today. We're here at No Name Harbour on Key Biscayne. We're on board the Bali 4.2, that's part of our training fleet for the RYA syllabus. So starting from competent crew all the way up to yacht master training. Our courses range from 5 days to 7 days long. We're going to be looking at docking, undocking, how to raise the main, how to work with the jib or foresail. We're going to be doing some tacking as well as different points of sail. For more videos like this, like and subscribe and hit the bell button below. If you want to learn how to sail, come join us at the Sailing Academy at catamaranguru.com.